Hey guys, so today I will explain you how you can trade and buy meme coins as fast as possible effectively. Now, first of all, you will need this platform application, which is called BullX. This is invite only. You can use my invite link. The link is in the description below. And the first thing I want to show you is that they just introduced, 17 hours ago, they introduced Twitter Tracker, which is one of the most useful tools in this space because many people are posting contract addresses on X, on Twitter, like Trump, the guy that created Wine, which went $200 million in market cap, Melania Trump. So basically, Twitter Tracker is the alpha, and this platform BullX is the alpha, and I will explain you why. First of all, when you use my invite link, you will go to this application, and it will show you this. You will see this. Well, this window is basically for the projects that are new, and if you don't understand, if you don't want to be a professional meme coin trader, I would not suggest you to go and buy these coins because most of them will go to zero, like 99.999% of these coins will go actually to zero. And what you want to do is really easy. You basically go on your wallet manager right here. You will see your balance is zero. How you add funds is here. Press this button. Here we'll see the code, the address, the Solana address, send only Solana right here. And for example, you have some Solana on Phantom Wallet or Coinbase or Binance. You basically use that Solana, send here, depending on, basically you will have your contact address right here. You send to this address and you will have some Solana. And now you can start trading. And this is where the Twitter Tracker comes in handy. You basically open this feed and soon you will actually be able to sort, follow specific accounts that you want the notifications from. Right now you have many, you have Greg and some Windows, so you don't need Windows. For example, you can track wallets like Coinbase, listing account. You can track Binance accounts that are showing you the newest listings, so you can snipe so earlier than the retail does. And this basically updates much faster than X, than Twitter itself, because one of the ways you can use X itself is basically go on X platform. If you have premium, you have the X Pro. So you basically pay $10 a month or something like that, and you will be able to create your own lists. Use other people's lists because many people have lists. And for example, I have my meme coin list. There are people that are posting about meme coins. I have masters, crypto alpha, daily news, Web3 value, top crypto VCs. And that's basically how you create. You can add more columns and this updates automatically. You don't have to scroll. You don't have to refresh. It just automatically basically refreshes. But the thing is that it is not that fast. It is like, I think, a few seconds or 20 seconds slower than BullX. And I think they most likely will improve the speeds. That's why I would basically suggest you to check this application out. Just go on here. And the biggest alpha about this BullX trading platform is this. So for example, you go on X, you see Trump or someone else, his son Baron, posting a contract address. You basically paste it right here. You can also search by name, but I would recommend you to search by contract address, so you don't get scammed, because there will be many Trump coins, many Baron coins, many Melania coins, and so on. So you paste address here and you click on the coin. So here you will see the chart and how many people are buying and selling. Now you will see your balance right here. And if you want to buy, really easy, just put an amount you want to buy with. I want to buy 0.2 Solana worth of Trump tokens. It will give me 2 Trump tokens. And now the best part about this tool is that you can basically set your own priority fees, buy bribes, slippage, and you can also do this for your sell settings. Now this is why this is important, is because when the huge tokens come, when the Melania coin came, I was waiting few hours when I could swap on Phantom because it was so congested, many people were buying, and I was waiting for a few hours. Until then it was already 10x, 20x up. With this tool. It is not crashing. You can set your priority fee, which means that when 10,000 or 100,000 people are buying specific coin, you can set your fees higher so you are in the line, not the number 9,999, but you are the first or second or 10th, or basically you can get in line before thousands of people, which means you are buying before them. After that, they will pump the price for you. That's where this platform, this BullX app comes in as an alpha. So that's basically what I'm using myself, and it is so fast. You can basically also set your sell settings the same way, so you're selling before everyone else. And you can also basically where it is, you can auto sell, auto buy. So basically, if the price goes 20% lower, you auto sell, or 20% higher, and you can basically set it for 50%, 70%. Doesn't matter, wherever you want. And basically you can go to sleep, and if it drops by 20%, it just automatically sells because you don't want to lose more than 20%, for example. That's one more thing why I'm bullish on this platform. And people that are buying on Phantom or whatever wallet, they're buying on Jupiter or Radium. You have to sign transactions, you have to swap. There is so much steps that you have to make that take extra seconds. And if many people are jumping on specific coin, they will be waiting even minutes or hours. There are times when Solana is crashing because it is quite new chain. That's why, again, this is I think it is basically my favorite platform. And again, if you want to jump on it, you need an invite link. The invite link is in the description below, and you will get all these basically features. And here you can see Coinbase just posted something actually 1 hour ago because it's paused. Right now you can see it basically restarted. And soon, again, you will be able to follow specific accounts, which is the alpha. And I will definitely be selecting specific accounts that I want to snipe. And yes, if you don't, you can actually use this Twitter. I'm using this, but not for new meme coins, just for news and just being early, because there are many projects dropping NFTs, new mint opportunities, and I'm posting on my Patreon as soon as possible. So if you want to get alpha even earlier, you can join my alpha, because it takes seconds for me to post on Patreon, and I'm posting multiple times a day. And of course, it takes me a few hours to post on YouTube, because you have to record, you have to edit, upload. It takes at least 1 hour. That's why my recommendation, if you want to get the alpha earlier from me, you can join my Patreon, only $10 a month. You basically pay for speed. There were many NFT projects, NFT mints and opportunities for in these past few days that went so fast. I couldn't even record a video. That's why if you want to get the alpha earlier, you can join my Patreon. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.